Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because what you're about to see isn't just a car, it's the holy grail of Polos. Forget everything you thought you knew about Volkswagen's humble little hatchback, because this beast takes the underdog Polo and turns it into a street-shredding monster that could go head-to-head with a modern-day Porsche. Yes, you heard me right. A Polo that can stare a 992 Carrera in the eye and laugh. Back in 1986, when everyone was drooling over Golfs, VW Motorsport said, "Hold my beer," and unleashed a wide-body Polo GT G40 with a spiral supercharger and a brutal 115 horsepower. Tiny by today's standards, but revolutionary at the time. Fast forward, and one madman named Christian from Montabaur has taken that rare gem and turned it into a fire-breathing legend. We're talking ocean blue paint that looks like it was stolen straight from Poseidon himself, teardrop mirrors, fiberglass body panels, and Schmidt TH-line wheels so fat they make the car look ready to devour asphalt. And under that lightweight hood, a 1.3-liter G40 engine that's been worked over, with a 60mm charger, a D-billless camshaft, a racing exhaust, and a chip tune from the gods, pumping out an insane 168 horsepower. Combine that with just 685 kilograms of weight, and this thing has a power-to-weight ratio that rivals supercars. Inside, it's a rolling tribute to the GTI spirit. Plaid seats, red belts, a gold roll cage, and gauges everywhere you look. It's like a motorsport fever dream come to life. This isn't just a Polo. This isn't just a restoration. This is a legend reborn, a forgotten hero dragged from a barn and resurrected to remind the world that even the smallest VW can become a giant killer. So sit back, turn up the volume, and witness the resurrection of the one and only VW Polo Coupé GT G40 Widebody, the true Holy Grail.